What's good, y'all? It's the girl Selena T. So, yeah, this is an actual talk through. I think this is my first time like really talking the whole time on YouTube. Sorry if I keep looking at myself, but yeah. So, this is going to be an unboxing on Mayvenn hair, and I love their hair. This wig is their hair, and this wig is like at least a year and a half old, so it's legit. I sell their hair, so the link and a promo code, of course, will be below. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this unboxing on Mayvenn hair, stay tuned. So yeah, I did only get 2 bundles because I already have a closure. I already know what look I'm going for. I'm gonna make a wig, and I want somewhat of like a blunt cut type of bob situation. I'm not sure, but I pretty much know how I want it. So I only got 2 bundles since I have a closure, and it's gonna be in 12 and 14 inch. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay. All right, so this is unboxing, right? See, I don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna really try. So it came like this. I don't remember it always coming like this. I could have sworn it used to come in a box. I think it's based on like how much hair you get, maybe. I only got 2 bundles and they're short bundles, so maybe that's why. I don't know. I really don't remember. But I'll be ordering hair again, so, and it'll be longer lengths, so I'll be able to see like how, if it comes the same way. But yeah, so it comes when did I order it? You know what? That's how you're supposed to prepare yourself before doing these damn videos. I was just hyped. Like, oh, I could do an unboxing. Damn, listen. Even though it's in this bag, it's fucking secure. Secure as fuck. God damn it. Okay. I will have it somewhere on the screen when I purchased it and how long it took. It ain't take that long though. It takes 3 to 5 days. So business days, I guess. But it didn't take that long. I ordered it a couple days ago and it's here. I didn't bother. You know, it didn't take that long if I didn't even check the tracking. So yeah, maybe I'll say it here. So you do get a little card. Okay, do get a little card with how to do exchanges, refunds, because yes, you can exchange. There is a 30-day guarantee. And then it has directions on how to shampoo, wash, daily maintenance, and important notes. And then it has a customer service number, all that good stuff. So that's one thing I kind of like working with them, because sometimes there may be a bad batch in here. That's just normal, but at least there's a guarantee, so you can get your money back or exchange it. So, oh, and then you get your order. It's kind of raggedy, but whatever. I got Brazilian natural straight hair in a 12 and 14 inch, because I'm thinking of like a long blunt cut. Well, not, I guess you could say a kind of long bob, because I consider this a bob, you know what I'm saying? But I want more, so a little bit longer and a blunt cut in the middle part, which I could switch this to the middle, but because of how I cut it, yeah, that's not gonna work. So that's what I got, a 12 and a 14. Now the bundles still do come in these really cute bags, which I love, because when you take out the hair, you can wash it, put it back in here, keeps the hair nice and soft and protected. And it also does let you know right here what kind of hair it is and the inch. So that's labeled right on the bag. Let me open this up. Everything is on here so tight, Lord. Okay. And so, which one is this? 14 inch. So this is the 14 inch. It's a pretty decent length. I really like this hair. Like, I know I ain't gonna have no problems when I get Mayvenn hair. Like, no issues at all. As you see, bundles are very thick. The wefts are constructed really well, and they're thick. I mean, they're not too thick where you can't get your needle through it, even though I don't suggest sewing through the track anyways, because that can create shedding. But sometimes when you first start that sewing or wig, you want that first stitch to go through the track, and you don't want to have such a difficult time doing that. So yeah, very nice luster. It's not too shiny. It just looks really natural. I just love this hair. And as you see, this is Brazilian straight. Colors really well. I've had this wig like over a year, at least a year and a half. I've washed it, dyed it. I haven't dyed it again since the first time I dyed it. And yeah, I really like this hair. That's why I got it again. Well, I've got it a couple times. And also the link to, I guess you could say, like my shop with Mayvenn is going to be below in the description box. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself. I gotta get used to this, but it will be in the description box below. So if you want to order some hair, you can definitely do that. Or if you have some questions about the hair, the textures, or the kind of look that you're going for, and you don't know what kind of bundles to get or what inches to get, you can definitely leave your questions and stuff in the comments, and I'll definitely respond back to you. But yeah, so this is a 14-inch. Let me try not to make this video so damn long, okay? And I'll also be recording. I'm gonna try to, guys. I'm gonna try to record. Let me not even talk no shit. I'm gonna try to see if I can record me doing the wig. Okay, it's gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna try to actually do it today before my boyfriend gets home, even though we're not doing anything tonight. Today is the day after Valentine's Day, and he was on the road, so he's coming home tonight. He was at work. He's coming home tonight. And ooh, so this is the 12-inch. Honey, now you know, obviously the shorter the length, it's like the more hair. And look at this. Girl. Okay. Really nice. It's thick all the way like to the ends. So I love it. It does kind of have like a natural kind of wave, but not really. I mean, I think all Brazilian straight kind of has a natural slight, you know, it ain't bone straight. But obviously, I mean, it is bone straight, but it's, you know, it has some texture. So it has sometimes a little slight wave, and then obviously it's been rolled up in these little sacks, so you're gonna see a little wave there. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this wig, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it. Oh, how much did it cost? You said, want to know how much it cost? I think this cost like $104 or $100, and it came with a discount. Now obviously with Mayvenn, if you buy 3 bundles or more, you off rip are gonna get 10% off, right? 3 bundles or more, or at least like 2 bundles in a closure, you know, 3 items or more, you get 10% off rip. And then they always have a code. They always have a code, okay? Like, there will always be a code. If you're not sure what the code is, usually they have it at the top of the site. If not, then just ask me and I'll let you know. Matter of fact, I'll put the promo code for right now. I believe it was like sweet or something like that, and you can use that. But yeah, so you usually get 15% off, then 10% off. That's off rip 25%. Is that right? Yeah, 25% off. And then sometimes they have 20% promos. So instead of that 15, you get 20, especially if you order some bundles. It'll give you the option to like, hey, share with someone and get 20% off type situation. So yeah, guys, this is the 12, very long, I think, like it's a good 12. Oh no, I'm tripping. This is the 14 and this is the 12. Okay, so That's it, guys. If you have any questions, if I think about any additional details on the hair, I'll be sure to leave it in the description box below. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see y'all next time. Later.